Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DRACE token. DE RACE, all one word, that's the name of the token. DERC is the ticker symbol. This token just got listed yesterday on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, the DRACE token just got listed yesterday, September 24th, on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code in there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you'd get this token is you just go right through that MEXC referral code in the description, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DERC, and then you'd simply just buy the token. Now, if you want to find their webpage and socials and information, their Twitter is at DRACENFT. They are verified on Twitter. They have 175,300 Twitter followers, 3,672 tweets, very active on Twitter. They also, on their Twitter, they also have 2 different telegrams listed there, and a Discord that you could join as well as their official webpage, which is drace.com. Pretty simple to find. It says NFT horse racing metaverse based on blockchain, powered by the DERC token. Now, if you go to their official webpage, you can connect your wallet to the page because they do have NFT horses that you can get there. You can also redeem tickets. You can click race. There's roadmap, gameplay on here. Yeah, all sorts of stuff on here. So it says DRACE is a complete NFT horse racing metaverse where you can participate in horse races, breed NFT horses with unique characteristics, build your own NFT hippodrome, and get rewarded via our sustainable play-to-earn mechanism while doing all of that. Join DRACE horse racing metaverse so you can own a horse, own a racehorse, have a one-of-a-kind NFT horse ready in your stable. You can hold the DERC token. Make sure you have some DRACE tokens for an entry fee for breeding. And then race. Prove your horse to be the ultimate DRACE metaverse champion. So they are partnered with a lot of different companies on here, like DAO Maker, Raptor Capital, Chainlink, Binance NFT, Mintable app, Reblock, all sorts of different things. You can subscribe to a newsletter, it looks like. They have TikTok, they have Instagram, Medium articles, Discord, Telegram, Twitter. At the bottom of the page, they do have a full white paper. They also have staking, roadmap, all that's available on here. So on their white paper, they have problems. So they talk about the problems with the video game industry, and of course, you want to own your stuff in the video game. That's a big problem. We don't need to go over this, but let's just skip to the solutions. So it says DRACE fulfills the huge demand in 2 separate multi-billion-dollar markets. With the lack of games with play-to-earn features, slow digitalization, and lack of transparency of the horse racing market, there is a huge niche for DRACE. Online horse racing platforms with modern graphics, wide gameplay possibilities, and most importantly, blockchain is what the market craves. DRACE is the first decentralized blockchain-based racehorse platform that joins millions of racehorse enthusiasts in the community, where you can buy and breed NFT horses and host races in your own hippodromes for actual profit. The current gaming industry is far from being player-friendly. Everything is focused on spending and losing rather than earning. One of D-Race's core user experience philosophies is to provide players with diverse ways to easily and instantly earn profit. There are many activities in the game that allow users to earn. Users can actually profit by participating in many game activities: breeding and trading NFT horses, participating in racing, hosting races, and selling their analysis and predictions, participating in referral rewards and bug bounty programs. So NFTs take ownership and uniqueness to the ultimate level. NFT technology in D-Race brings something that the industry has never seen before: unique assets that can purchase, create, and use in-game and make profit from it. One-of-a-kind NFT horses. Also, NFTs guarantee the authenticity of each horse and would enable a possibility to breed new authentic horses. So it says it's 100% fair and transparent. There's personalized gaming experience, unpredictability, and exciting gameplay as never seen before. So let's scroll down on their white paper here. Let's talk about the roadmap here. So they're starting in Q3 2021 is when this came out. It says D-Race Coin launched an IDO, pre-orders of NFT horses, release all of the 3D models and elements, early access for testers, advisors, smart contracts, and interaction setup. Then Q4 2021, beta platform launch, NFT breeding smart contract launch, breeding smart contracts, animated racehorse launch, wallet integration. Then Q1, Q2 2022, we got full platform launch, additional NFT horses, items launch, auction system integrated, hippodromes launch, direct D-Race coin purchase on the platform, direct D-Race coin purchase with fiat currency. And then Q3, Q4 2022, where we are right now, it says D-Race mobile app for iOS and Android, ad services integration with external platforms and other wallets, third-party betting solution integration, API for horse racing streaming platforms, and then the roadmap will continue after that. I'm sure they'll update it. Now, we can look at the tokenomics here. It says it's an ERC20 compliant cryptographic token on the Ethereum blockchain. It can be used for in-game transactions. And then we have a utility section on here. You can use it for races, winnings, horses, item trades, all sorts of things. And you can check all this out. There's tons of info like about their NFTs, all sorts of things in their marketplace at drace.gitbook.io. That's where you can find their white paper. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.